YouTube. I'm Mike over here from D-Zone. Actually, I'm gonna do today a little bit video for RCA TVs. Like I have a lot of time to get a figure out what's wrong with the 65-inch RCA TV. You know, the power. The indicator, the red one, is being on, and when you turn on the TV, it's gonna flash one time and no picture, nothing, and after like a couple of minutes again it turn red. Then it'll be not gonna happen anything. So I was figuring out what was it, and it's strange. It's a backlight. Because of the backlight is doing that one, nothing else. No problem with the board, no problem with the T-con board, no problem with the power supply, no problem with the main board. Hope only with the backlights. But you have to reach the backlight on the LED TVs. You have to take everything off from the TV, and these are the backlight stripes. So those strip, with this one you can check it individual. This unit is really helpful to repair the backlight. It's cost only like 20 or 30 bucks from eBay, but it's really helpful. You can check the backlight. I'll show you. It's too much difficult to check it like this. I will show you. See, it's gonna light it up. So when the backlight stripe is not good, it's not gonna be lighted up like this. See, it's not gonna be lighted up. Only 1 or 2 bulbs is been burned out, so we're gonna change it. See, this one is gonna light it up. See, we're gonna change it, that bulb, and we see if we're gonna fix or not. All right, peace. I'm gonna fix it, the bulb. Well, you can replace this whole stripe. It's not really expensive, but I don't have a time to order it, and waiting for the shipping. So I have all backlight stripes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to replacing one, the SMD. So we'll see how is it. Peace. Thank you. Yeah, about the RCA TV, I just replaced the stripe, the bulb, the LED stripes, and yeah, so it's working right now. It's work. See, so guys, don't worry about, like, if it's the symptom is simple. The LED lights come on when the power is given, and when you charge the power, when you try to turn on the power to the TV, the LED light flash, and again it will become. So that means it's shortages. Where the shortage is, it's on the LED stripes. One bulb messed up whole TV, one single bulb. But to remove that bulb, to fix that thing, you have to carry out entire panel. And this one, RCA always come from back to front, not front to back. But LG, Samsung, those TVs is going, you have to take out the front panel first, and take out the remove the LCD panel. Then you have to reach to the actual LED stripes. But RCA, they make simple way, and it's really safe, because you will not gonna crack the LCD panel. You can keep on a flat table upside down, and you can take all the screws out and take out the panel. So it's easy. So cheer up. I'm really new to TV repairing business. I did computer and mobile phone repairing normally, but TV, it's not really big thing, like, so you have to figure it out what was going on, and then it's easy to fix. So cheer up. I'll see you from the next video. Thank you.